Hey guys, my name is Ryan and I am the Amazon and eBay guru on YouTube. Today I wanted to talk to you about the newest announcement from Tactical Arbitrage. If you guys haven't already heard, Alex Moss, the creator of Tactical Arbitrage, has recently announced that there's going to be a huge update, and he said it should be coming within the next couple days. And if you guys have not heard, the new update is when you're doing a product search and you can only do one search at a time, you're now going to be able to do 10 searches at a time. So this is amazing news, especially if you guys are already using Tactical Arbitrage. And if you haven't, then I highly recommend getting started as soon as you can, because if you don't, I'm guessing the price is going to go up again, especially with this new feature, because as of right now, I have two different Tactical Arbitrage accounts so that I can run two searches at once. Now I don't have to pay that, or if I want to, then I can do 20 searches at once. But I definitely don't need 20 searches at once, so I'm going to probably deactivate my other Tactical Arbitrage account and just use this one. So that now you can do 10 searches at once. So as you can see right now, I am searching on Kohl's.com. I talked to my virtual assistant last night, and I indicated that I want to search for items within the United States to sell in the United States. And I have a new prep center that I'm going to be using, and so far I've heard good things about them. They're in a no tax state, so I don't have to pay any tax, because when I did pay tax before from my other prep company, I would never get that money back because I live in Canada, and with that when you're reselling stuff in the United States that's purchased in the United States, here in Canada we don't get that tax back. So this is going to be really great for me to start using this prep company and to be able to run 10 searches at once. I am super excited for this. And like I said, guys, if you have not already got started with Tactical Arbitrage, there is a 10-day trial that you can get for only $1 using the coupon code Amazon and eBay Guru. All the links will be in the description below, and all the details about that will be in the description below. So if you want to get started on Tactical Arbitrage, like I said, get started as soon as you can, because my guess is with this new feature, the price is going to be going up. I don't see how it couldn't. So yeah, really excited about this and running a search within the United States and to sell in the United States. And I'm looking from Kohl's, and like I said, I told my virtual assistant that I only want items that are in the top 100,000 sales rank, and I only want items that are a $10 profit per unit. So as you can tell, he's looking through Kohl's right now for me, and out of the 17,577 products that it searched through, it has found 8 that are profitable. So I haven't looked at these yet. Let's have a quick look to see if it's pulled any winners, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, guys, with 10 searches going at once, you literally will be able to find non-stop products to purchase for resale. So click this button up here to bring your most recent searches to the top. And so Kohl's. So Nike gated for most people, so I would just avoid that. Let's see. This is a Alltech Lansing Life Jacket 3. The only difference is one is black and one is, it might be the same one, just with the lights on. I'll have to check. Let's just have a quick look to see if this one would make sense to buy. So is there a blue one separately? Like I said, guys, I have not looked at this yet. So it's $111.99 on Amazon, sold by a marketplace seller and fulfilled by Amazon. And what can we get it for? We can get it for $99.99. So because Tactical Arbitrage pulled the incorrect version of it, I would not buy this one, because Tactical Arbitrage was thinking that the buy box price was $179.99, and if that would have been the case, then it would have been a $60 profit. But because it was the incorrect item, you're not going to make any money on that, or it's going to be tough to make anything, so I would skip this one. Let's go to the next one. Like I said, we'll just go through these 8. This is just a quick video today. So Skull Candy, and as you can see, one is the Army version or the camouflage version, and then these are black. So same thing. So these pulled up 3 times. And now we got the Mophie micro USB external battery charger. Let's see if this is the same thing or not. So this is on Kohl's. So that looks like it might be the same thing. Let's have a look. And I like to always go through the pictures to make sure. So if you find that the pictures match what is selling, then it could be a match, and it could be a really good one to buy. So let's have a look. It looks like the same picture. So yeah, it looks like it kind of opens up, and that one looks like that right here. So we'll just zoom in here. There we go. So that, yeah, it is the same one. So it's selling for $39.99 on Amazon, and we can get it for $13.99. So this is definitely a good one. Let's make sure that Kohl's is in stock. Yeah, they are. So what I would look at before I would purchase this is I would double check that the Keepa graph or the camel graph is consistent with what the numbers are showing. So as we can see, this is the Keepa graph. Price has stayed the same and the sales rank has fluctuated. But the nice thing is we know that this price has stayed the same since May 1st. So it's not like it was a temporary spike of the price or anything like that. So then I would definitely go with purchasing this. It's a $16.80 per unit profit, and it's 120% gross ROI. The only thing is it's a 97,000 sales rank, but for some reason it's showing that it's 0 sales per month. Let's double check that with Jungle Scout to make sure that that's actually true. So I like to just click on Jungle Scout, and then we will see. Yeah, so it's Jungle Scout's showing that it has at 123,000 sales rank and less than 5 per month. So honestly, I wouldn't buy too many of these. You could buy a few. If it was me, I would buy 5 of these, send them in, hope they sell. Most likely not going to sell too quick. So if you're looking to get a quick return on investment and turn your money into more, I wouldn't buy this one. But if you have the extra money, and 5 of these would only really cost you just around $75, so not going to be too much. So if you have the money to invest, I would buy this one because the ROI is 120%. Let's see what else there was. So there was this 2-sided microfiber nursing pillow, and then this one looks different, so I'm going to skip this one. And then a car seat cover and car seat cover. Looks different, but let's double check. So pink, and let's see. This looks like a bright pink, and this looks like a light pink, but we will see. So this is like a gray. So this is, I'm going to say this one's not the same, and I would skip this one. And so that's all 8 for today. Like I said, the search has just started not too long ago. It's only searched through 17,000 products. And the other thing is I'm on very strict criteria right now. So like I said, top 100,000 sales rank and $10 profit per unit. So it's a lot harder to find products in that top 100,000 range. But generally, when you do find those products, they're going to sell a lot quicker. So that's why I want to focus on that with my sourcing within the United States, and that's why I'm doing this type of search. But once I'm running 10 of these searches at once, even though this one only had 1 item that I would purchase that would be profitable, if you're having 10 at once, what if each search just pulls 1? Well, that's 10 products right there. And if you can buy in multiple quantities, then you can make a lot of money. So this new feature is going to be amazing. Like I said, guys, get in quick if you're not already on Tactical Arbitrage, because this feature is literally going to blow away any sort of competition. I don't even know if there's any competition for Tactical Arbitrage right now, but if there is, this will blow anyone out of the water. It's literally going to help everyone grow their business way more. And this is the thing is, you can be running 10 of these searches at once. Well, you can still be running all these other searches also if you have the full suite. If you just have the online arbitrage one, then you'll only have access to this product search. But if you have the full suite, you'll have access to all of these searches. So, like I said, guys, this is just a very tight criteria search. So you may think, well, if you look through 17,000 products and it's only found 8, and then only 1 of those was actually good to purchase. Well, yeah, that's because of the tight criteria right now. But if you run a looser criteria where you're looking in the top 250,000 and you only want to make like $6 per unit, then you're going to find a lot more profitable products. But I'm running a very tight search right now, and that's what I've told my virtual assistant to run for me. But that's just personal preference. You can do whatever you think is best for you and source from wherever you want. That's the nice thing with Tactical Arbitrage. Depending on where you're watching this video from, it has many different countries that you can source from. And say you were in Australia and you wanted to source from Australia and sell on Amazon.com, completely possible. Or if you're in Australia and you want to sell on Amazon.ca, like, you can do so many different combinations. And when you're able to run 10 searches at once, you can literally like search through a bunch of stores at once. So this is a very, very good update, and I hope that this video has helped you guys understand that update a little better and understand really what Tactical Arbitrage can do for your business. I know we just had Amazon Prime Day. I had a pretty good Prime Day, not as good as last year, but I think there's a lot more competition this year with selling on Amazon. So in comparison to last year, I made less sales, but I've really grown my US business, so that's been awesome. I've done 100,000 in sales in the last month, and that's going to continue to go up. I think I'm at about 105,000 right now in the last 30 days. So as we get closer to Q4, those numbers are going to skyrocket. I have been buying like crazy. I've been buying a lot of toys so that I can prep for Q4 this year. And what I have personally done with those toys that I've been buying is I've been sending all the toys into FBA. And what I've been personally doing is I put the price at a not too high price, but higher than my competitors. And my feedback is really good on Amazon. So sometimes people will buy from me over my competitors just because of my feedback. But the reason I'm doing that is because I want to be in stock when Christmas season comes around. And that's why I put my prices higher. And then as I get into closer to Q4, I'm going to lower those prices. And when those prices lower, the stuff is going to sell like crazy. And that's what I want. I want to be selling the majority of this stuff in Q4. If it sells now, then great. But mainly I want to be able to sell this stuff in Q4. So that's kind of my strategy. I'm really building up inventory right now. I've been buying like crazy. It's going to be, yeah, it's going to be really good Q4. And I hope that you guys are going to be able to use Tactical Arbitrage for the 10 searches at once in Q3 to help you prepare for Q4, and so that you can get your inventory into Amazon to sell for that Q4 when it's going to be the best Q4 yet. I know Amazon Prime Day just a few days ago was Amazon's best sales day ever. So as we can tell, that's going to probably turn into their best Q4 ever, which in turn will turn into generally most of these Amazon sellers who are selling on Amazon's best Q4 ever also, because there's a lot more customers out there. So guys, get into Tactical Arbitrage when you can and lock in the price that it's at right now, because it's only going to be going up. Realistically, if you can search 10 things at once, this program is worth a lot more than what it's currently selling for. So get in as soon as you can, guys, and I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.